Welcome to Sathayam Tyre Trading LLC, your trusted partner for high-quality tyre solutions in Al Quwain, UAE. Established by the visionary Mr. Gopu Ramasamy, Sathayam Tyres is dedicated to ensuring the safety and performance of your vehicle through superior products and exceptional service. Our mission at Sathayam Tyres, our mission is to provide reliable tyre solutions that enhance the driving experience of our customers. We are committed to offering the highest standards of quality and service to ensure customer satisfaction and vehicle safety. Our story, founded by Mr. Gopu Ramasamy, a visionary leader with a passion for excellence, Sathayam Tyres has become a leading name in the tyre industry. Mr. Gopu's inspiring journey from Tamil Nadu, India to a successful entrepreneur in the UAE highlights his dedication and commitment to quality. His leadership continues to drive our growth and success. Our products. We offer a diverse range of high-quality tyres to suit all types of vehicles, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your needs. Our product lineup includes renowned brands from Japan, Thailand, India and China such as Japan and Thailand, Bridgestone, Sumitomo, Dunlop, Michelin, Yokohama, Goodride, India, MRF, SEAT, Apollo, JK, BKT, China, Long Margin, Zetex, Westlake, Roadstone, Botani, Skyfire. Our services. At Sathayam Tyres, we provide a comprehensive range of tyre services to ensure your vehicle's tyres are in optimal condition. New tire sales, a wide selection of tyres for all vehicle types. Wheel balancing, accurate balancing for enhanced driving comfort and reduced tyre wear. Tyre fitting and alignment, professional fitting and alignment for optimal tyre performance and longevity. Tyre puncture repair, fast and efficient repair services to get you back on the road quickly. Breakdown services, reliable support for tyre related issues during breakdowns. Why choose us? Expertise. Our team of skilled professionals has extensive knowledge in tyre solutions. Quality assurance. We offer only the highest quality products and services to ensure your complete satisfaction. Comprehensive solutions. From tyre sales to repair and maintenance, we provide a full range of services. Customer-centric approach. We deliver personalized service tailored to each customer's unique needs. Competitive pricing. Fair and transparent pricing without compromising on quality. At Sathayam Tyres, we are dedicated to providing you with the best tyre solutions and services to keep your vehicle running safely and efficiently. Visit us today and experience the difference with our top quality products and exceptional customer service. Thank you.